Hi everyone and welcome again to Lake Garda.
In Lake Garda, the largest lake in Italy, you can find sport opportunities, nature, food and history.
So, if you want to better organize your trip without getting lost between all the possible destinations to visit, how could you arrange your trip?
Well, in this video you'll get 10 ideas to visit the main attractions around the north part of the lake.
To be clear, between Limone, Riva del Garda and Malcesine, while for the southern part of the lake, watch this video.
Of course, you can start visiting the main villages on the shore of the lake: Limone, Riva, Torbole and Malcesine. Close to Lake Garda there are other three truly fascinating smaller lakes: Ledro, Tenno and Toblino, and the panoramic castle in Arco. Close to Malcesine, I suggest you also visit Monte Baldo and Madonna della Corona Sanctuary. Let's find out more on these attractions. Limone sul Garda is charming, and if you are spending a few days at Lake Garda, a visit here should be among your priorities. The historic center is a labyrinth of narrow paths and stairs.
From the center of Limone, you can ride a few kilometers of the scenic Garda cycle path.
A path suspended over the lake that will become the longest cycle path in Europe in 2026.
Ledro path runs through the entire Ledro Valley to Lake Ampola. This path is recommended for those who want to discover the beauties of the higher altitude area around the lake. You can have a nice breakfast in Rifugio Alfaggio at the end of Val Concei. We start our trip from Torbole, and if you go in the description of this video you will find also a GPX track where you can find also a parking which is for free, where you can leave your car. The path Valle dei Laghi allows you to start from Riva del Garda area, down there you can see Garda Lake, to reach the splendid Lake of Toblino along the Sarca River. With a small deviation you can reach the center of Arco, where on Wednesday there is the local market, and also the castle of Arco. Good morning. From Monte Baldo, at more than 2000 meters from the sea level, Lake Garda emerges in all its glory. What a view, guys, almost surreal. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.